This is Kevo 2nd Gen Smart Lock unboxing. Quick installation card. Notice this card does not contain full installation instructions. The Kevo app contains a step-by-step interactive guide to installing and configuring the lock. Deadbolt exterior. Notice the color-coded components. This makes it easier to figure out where this connects in the interior assembly. Deadbolt interior. Noticeably smaller than Kevo 1st Gen. Interior cover. Interior assembly. The battery pack is empty, but you will see batteries are included in the box. Mounting plate. Terms and conditions. Drilling template. Latch with rectangular faceplate. Drive-in latch. Round corner strike. Adapter ring. 2 standard Kwikset keyway backup keys. 4 AA Rayovac batteries. SmartKey rekey instructions, so you can rekey Kevo to match your other Kwikset locks for one-key convenience. SmartKey Learn tool. Screws required for installation. And that's all. Now it's your turn to unbox your Kevo Smart Lock.